Toshiba air conditioning. Low energy consumption. Instead, the efficiency is higher. Not only quiet, but the dimensions are compact. How that works? The answer is the core of the air conditioner compressor. Toshiba successfully incorporates innovative twin rotary technology on conventional compressors. Part streamlining and lightweight enables more compact products. The descending of compression position enables smooth operation and more convenient oil supplying. The discharge oil amount is only 1/10 that of an ordinary compressor. On different frequency, twin rotary technology can completely restrain excessive and deficient compression phenomenon so that each revolve is highly efficient. Toshiba twin rotary compressor perfectly meets customer needs.